Back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be dealing with strength of material N5. We have given, this is a shear stress on bolt plate. We have given 2 plates. It says read as follows. We have a force of 50 kilonewton X on a bolted plate in figure 1.23. Here is figure 1.23. Says calculate the shear stress in the bolt which has a diameter. We've given the diameter 20 millimeters. So you must know if you have you see the number of plates. These are plates. The one that with hashes, this one. The number of plates is 1, 2. If you have a two number of plate, you must always know that you must know that you are dealing with a single shear. You'll have a single shear. This is a single shear. If you have two plates is equal to single shear. If you have 3, you will increase. If you have 3 plates, you'll have double. Right? If you have a 4 plates, you will have what? Triple. Increases so on. If you have a five plates, you'll have 4 pull. Right? And then remember, we are focusing on when we are talking about shear, we are focusing on the rivet. This is a rivet or the bolt rivet. We are focusing on the rivet or the bolt, the area, not the area of the plate, but the area of the bolt or rivet. That thing that is heading them together. We are focusing on it. Let's say for argument's sake, you had something like this. You see? Let's say you have something like this. Then here we have a plate, a metal plate. So then I put some rivet like this. We're focusing here on this rivet, the area of the rivet. And then you must take note. Here, how many plates are there? The plates will have 1, 2, 3. They will try to. When you're talking about plate, you're talking about how many holes will you have. Here we'll have 1, 2 holes. Yes, you can check that thing. If you remove that, do you see what we have in the structure? If you can remove, for argument's sake, if you can remove that, this bolt will have, let me show hidden details. As you can see, there will have how many holes? As you can see, we'll have 1, 2. That means it's a double plate. That means you'll have a single plate. They can also put some another plate like this. You check how many holes we'll have. We'll have 1, 2, 3. Then since you have 3 plates, we determine by the number of holes. We'll have 1, 2, 3 holes. Then we'll have what? This is 3 plate. That means you'll have a double. But here we have a single shear. Since you have what? 2 plates. I said starting from 2. If you have a 2 plates, you'll have a single shear. You understand? So, and then here we have given a tensile. This is a tensile force of 50. Right? Remember, the tensile is when you are pulling. If you are pulling something, we call it tensile. It's a pull force, but here we call it tensile force. Then when you squeeze something, we call it compressive force. Then it's pulling like that. We are focusing only on this area of the rivet. Right, of the rivet. Here it is, which is the cross section of what? Of a circle. Take note of that. So it says calculate, the question says calculate the shear stress in the bolt. As you can see in the bolt, which has a diameter of that 20. So without wasting the time, we can calculate the shear stress. You must know that the important thing, shear stress is represented like that. Shear stress is the same as force over area. Right, but the symbol is only changes. Yeah, the symbol is that. You understand? So whereby is measured in what? That is a shear stress is measured in in Pascal. Remember that the pressure is in force over area. Also the stress is force over area, but the difference is the symbols. So we must take note. This is a pressure, this is a stress, this is a shear stress. So you must take note of your symbols there. So we'll use this symbol. So for us to have the shear stress, we're supposed to have a force in the air, right? That is what we're supposed to have. And the force there is the one, the tensile here. We take one. Don't take them two. Don't take the two of them. Just pick one, which is 50. Do not say because, oh, I have two areas, let me just say 50 and I didn't know. Just take one of those. So we know the force. What about the air? If you can find the area, because you're already given the force. The area of the circle, I said we focus on the rivet. This will be the area of what? Of the rivet. Or if you are given a bolt, it will be the area of a bolt. You understand? So we'll pi over 4 squared. So remember, it's the area of the what? Of the circle. Or you can use math. It is this pi r squared. It's one and the same thing. It's depend on to you which one you want to use for area. But the popular one is this one in engineering. So we can substitute the area is equals to pi over 4. Then what about the diameter? Remember the diameter, this says is 20 millimeter. If it's 20 millimeter, divide by 1000 to be in meter. This will be 0.02 meter. So this will simply equals to 0.02. Then you square that. Then you punch this on your calculator nicely. So supposed to get that your area, it is 314, right, 159 times 10 to the power of minus 6 meter squared. That is what you have here. Yeah, if you want, you can punch it same time. It's up to you. You can use it, you can put it, all of it there as it is there on the denominator. You can take this and put it on your denominator as it is. Up to you. Or you calculate the area first, or use it at the same time. Calculate it at the same time. So now we know that we have a shear stress. Then we know the force that was 50 kilonewton, which is times 10 to the power of 3. Then divide by the area, which is 314,159 times 10 to the negative 6. So then if we divide this, punch that, supposed to get that your shear stress will simply equals to 159,155, which is measured in megapascal. This is measured in megapascal. So yeah, this is measured in megapascal. So this is what it is, guys. This is what it is. This is what it is. So this is 2 plates. So I'm trying to say, you can given like this. They can try to confuse. Sometimes they will try to trick you by giving you new subject, something like this. Yes, you see this object how it is. They will try to trick you and give you something like that. Then they will do, as you can see here, we will have your rivet or the boat. They will try and trick you and give you something like this. If they trick you, check. This will represent as long. If you remove as long, this is a plate. Remember, do not be confused by this thing. If I can erase like this, if I can, for argument's sake, if I erase that structure like this, do you see what we will have? Let's say erase. You see how many plate we'll have. If then I do like this, we'll have how many plate? 1, you'll have 1, 2, 3. So do not be confused about that structure. Simply, if it's like this, do not be confused. You have 1, 2, 3 plates, and then if you have a 3 plates, that means you'll have what? You'll have a double shear. You'll have a double shear. That means you'll have a double shear. That means you'll focus on the area that you will calculate. You will be equals to the area that you'll get. You'll multiply by 2. Let's say because it's a semicircle, let's say it's pi over 4 d squared. You'll multiply it by 2 because you'll have a double. If you have a 3 plates, if you have remember you have a 2 plates, you'll have a double. If you have a 3 plates, 1, 2, 3, you'll have a double. 3 plates. If you have 2 plates, you will have how many shares? Areas there will have, or a share you'll have. If it's 2, you'll have 1 share, 1 area. We'll focus on 1 area. If you have a 4 plates, you'll have triple. Increase like that. If you have a 5 plates, you'll have 4 until as you can see, that contains like that, continue and continue. So guys, thank you for watching. Please, if you found my videos helpful, please click that notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Stay tuned, as I'll be producing some new stuff for you. Click that notification button and feel free to comment and share this to your fellow classmates. Thank you guys for your time and thank you for watching.